This is KM6ZPO doing a quick review of the magnetic mic adapter, part number IPM-113. So in my car, I didn't want to drill any holes into anything. I use magnetic mounts for everything in the car. They had a kit that included this piece here, the magnetic mic, as well as a mount that you could screw onto any place into the car. But I decided to just get this backing piece. This fits onto any mic that has a round adapter on the back, and it will work with any magnetic mount. So I have one here, it works fine. I have this vent mount one here, and it's very sturdy. It's not going anywhere. In fact, if it'll pull the whole thing out of the vent, because the metal is very strong. Now this piece here, the magnetic mic itself, this piece is not magnetic. It's some kind of ferrous metal, so it'll work with anything. And for $12.50 plus a little bit of shipping, I highly recommend it.